Hey, what's up everyone? All right, so I hope I don't have to go too deep with this one because it's freaking simple. It comes down to investing a few dollars a year into your brand, and that's it. It's that simple. Do I really need to convince you to purchase a custom domain for your brand? Because this is really a basic step into building a business. But all right, no worries. Let's talk about a few reasons why you should purchase a custom domain for your brand. Number one, I've already insinuated this. If not, straight up said it already. It's a few dollars, okay? A few bucks that you would spend on a coffee today, or maybe like 2 coffees. All right, so custom domains are usually anywhere from $10 to $20, no matter what you choose as your custom domain. And this is also usually for a time frame of 1 year that you purchase the license for. You can definitely purchase a 2-year, 3-year, or up to 10-year license. Now, I definitely don't recommend purchasing a license for that long. Yes, you get a bit of a discount the more years you purchase up front. I typically just purchase 1 or 2-year licenses. And also, if you do purchase more than 1 year, make sure that it is a domain that you are going to stick with. All right, so make sure that you know which one it's going to be, and that's the one you're going to use. Reason number 2, well, since this course is all about social branding, the credibility and the brand impression you are able to make with your custom domain is huge. Your custom domain can be viewed when people visit your website versus the software link that you're using. For example, most software now allow you to use a custom domain where instead of using a long, unmemorable link to your booking calendar, you can use something like, for example, angelmartinez.com/booking. Remember, every interaction or engagement in an online presence is an opportunity to establish your brand. A custom domain also allows you to establish trust with your customers and seriousness about your business or brand. It subliminally tells your audience that I am legit and I take my brand serious. All right, and how could I forget? Email. With a custom domain, you'll be able to send emails from a professional email. Not only that, but now because of new protocols with email marketing, you need to have a custom domain if you plan on doing any email marketing, which you all should be planning on doing that, whether you know it or not, because that is where we are headed. All right, and we want to prepare you for that. Reason number 3, the memorability aspect of a custom domain, like I briefly mentioned earlier. Sending someone a long, ugly, unmemorable link makes it hard for people to use. Being able to send them something like, again, angelmartinez.com/booking for people to view my booking calendar is much easier for people to use versus Acuity 2398 TB angelmartinez.com. It makes it easier for you to promote it in your content. It makes it easy for people to see it in your content and for people to share it amongst their peers. Number 4, and the final reason, SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. If you don't already know what that is, this is basically making you easier to find on the interwebs. Search engines favor domains that clearly indicate what lies within your business. And this is particularly crucial when competing for visibility in a crowded field of similar content or businesses. We're always looking for ways to stand out, right? Well, this is another way. So before you go, where should you get your domain? Well, I'm going to suggest that you use GoDaddy for your domains. The main reason is because that is what I have directed all of my domains to, and has been fairly easy to use during times that I've needed to configure my custom domains to the software and the tools that I'm using. So I'd be able to give you the best direction if you ever needed any help. However, after some research, there is a second domain provider that a lot of people seem to like, and that is Cloudflare. Several of my peers in the marketing space have said a lot of great things about Cloudflare. So I'm going to mention this provider here, and if you so choose to go this route with Cloudflare, you'd be in good hands. If you are someone who wants to use Cloudflare, let me know and we can create a tutorial video around using Cloudflare. Otherwise, GoDaddy will be the best option. All right, so there it is. If any of these didn't do it for you, it comes down to a simple and small investment that you can make into your business. This entire journey is about investing into yourself and into your business. And this is one that is a small investment, but yet powerful for your brand.